7 kay haigeda 7 hairisi a researcher explores the effect of quality of midday meal scheme in government schools on the students attendance hai aduna researcher amana kaidoriba effect of quality of midday meal scheme hai midday meal scheme hai dana angangi school government school la chak pizabada madugi quality duna satragi attendance ta kari effect pibegi haibado madu naina dawriba Picture chak to yena fajaragana phana pizaragana bu quality attendance henglakpra henglaktabra haibedo karamba research method sizinagedagi hangbane 1 2 3 4 sidagi karamba research method ne hena chanagani masugumbad
ex post facto method
chumadresa ex post facto kaigino hai kanda loi khraba matungda quality phakibra adu kanda satra kayam lai quality phatabadana kayam lai aduma yengdawni ko nang nainanabani haidana nangna experimental ga tawraga manipulate the independent variable manipulate tawdana amungna phahanba amungna phahandaba aduga satra si lakpra laktabra na yengba yade ko ethical oide aduna hana thokraba phakiba numitta kayam lakhi phataba numitta nabu kayam lakti grana aikoina yengadoba thokraba matungde yengi haidana madubu ex post facto research kawe